Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of AutoAmateur. What? It's not in the garage? I know! Today is a driving video, so let's do a bit of this. Guys, it is good to be back in the 991, and of course my 991 is in most of my videos, but recently I've been doing a lot of DIY videos, been doing a lot of videos at home, and I really haven't had a chance to drive my car for a while because the steering wheel was in Texas for almost a month, and the front bumper's been off, and I've been doing other things. Oh, and of course 2 months ago my daughter Grace arrived, so I've had my hands full there. But today I'm getting out and about with my friend Duke, who's just picked up a beautiful yellow first generation 991, and we are off on a little bit of a mission. Now I've had the idea for this particular video, well not today's video, but a video I'm about to put out there, probably in September timeframe. I've had an idea for a video where I bring all my friends together with one of every 911 that we can get hold of. Hopefully at least one model from each generation and sub-generation, but even a number of examples within each generation. So let's say we have a 997 segment of the video. We've got a Carrera, we've got an S, we've got a 4S, we've got the GT cars, we've maybe got a Targa, and I want to do that, bring the 996s together, and the 997s, and the 991s, and the 992s, and bring all of those cars together. And if I can bring together the water-cooled generations, that would be fantastic. If I can also bring together the air-cooled generations, my dream is to shoot a video of every generation of Porsche side by side. Now, in order to do that, you can probably, if you know the people with the cars, and I'm not quite sure I do, I'm still trying to work on my list. But if you bring all those cars together, sure, you can film that. You can film that video relatively easy. Find yourself a big parking lot, maybe go on a group drive. But what I really want to do is get it in a place where there is no one else, and we've got all the sort of location to ourselves. But we also have the ability to pit the cars off each other. Wouldn't it be fantastic to check out my friend Costas's 1977 911S against Chris's 992 C4S. How good would that be? Just to see them side by side, sitting next to each other, but also on a piece of tarmac, going all out as fast as they can, foot to the floor, neck and neck. I think that would be pretty epic. GoPros, stationary cameras, aerial cameras, the drone, I want to put all of that together. And so we're going location scouting today. We found this airport in a very small municipality, an hour or so outside of the Twin Cities. The friend who runs the airport is also in charge of the airport operations. He's in charge of the youth foundation there. So this is a great opportunity to exchange his airport facilities for half a day or a day, and get all of the people using the airport for the video to donate to this foundation for kids, which gets kids into a number of different youth programs they run there at the airport after hours and over weekends. So nice little exchange there, and we just need to get permission from the local city council to be able to do that. You know, it needs to be legit, it needs to be legal, etc., etc., etc. So, you know, all of those sort of finer details we're still working out, but we've got the airport manager on board, we've got the airport identified. I've now got to figure out, you know, where all the different cars are coming from, figure out the logistics for the day, get the kit together so I can shoot it. I'm probably not going to be able to shoot this one on my own, but I'm really excited. It's going to be so cool. So, you know, that's part of the fun. And of course, just getting out here to drive for a day and staring at this beautiful 991 in front of me, that's also pretty epic. All right. So that's it for another video, guys. Just a short and sweet one today. I wanted to get out, I wanted to do a bit of driving, and I wanted to talk to you all about this idea for a video. And you know what, in the time it takes me to make this video, maybe someone's gonna steal the idea and do it already. But you know, I don't care about that. You know, I'm here to make the video for me and for anybody that wants to watch the video on my channel. And quite frankly, if there was that video available on YouTube tomorrow, I would love to watch it. So yeah, you know, I'm in this for the community. All right, guys, thanks so much for checking in. More content coming soon as ever. More leather trim with deviated red stitching arriving from Europe, from a very unfortunate GT3 991 that went off the road, but fortunate for me. I feel bad saying that, but you know, I don't feel that bad. All right, guys, take care. See you in another video soon. Bye.